Hello, humans. I hope you miss me. I'm sure I miss you. So I know I'm not here today. I wanted to go over the project directions with you. So what I need you to do is close your computers, listen, pay attention to what I'm showing you so that you get all the information you need. So first things first, you are going to go into Schoology. You're going to choose courses, whichever core you're in, doesn't matter. They all look the same. For this, I'm just going to show you first core. Once you are in your class, you're going to scroll down and you are going to click The Lightning Thief, chapters 1 through 4, Percy Gets Expelled. Once you are in there, all of your resources for chapter 1 through 4 are in there. So you've got your vocab words, you've got your read alouds, your comp questions. Remember, all these comp questions are due on Friday. Okay. Once you get to the very bottom, chapters 1 through 4 project is right here. So the chapter 1 through 4 project is a choice project. You're going to have two options. You're going to have an option to do a 1-pager or an option to do a 5-paragraph essay. Both are going to have the same requirements. It's just a matter of if you want to draw in color or if you want to write it in sentence form. So, your first decision you have to make is which choice. Both are worth the same amount of points, which is 25 points. That's a lot of points. So please make sure you do this and do your best. Do not rush through it. So you're going to scroll down. You're going to decide which one you're doing. If you're choosing the 1-pager, we're going to start here. The 1-pager, you have 4 characters. You have Percy, Sally, Grover, and Gabe. All 4 of those characters, you are going to draw them, and then you are going to give me 2 quotes from the book that describe each character and 3 adjectives that describe them. So the way I kind of envision them is here's the drawing, around them is the quotes and the words, and then you move on to the next one. It must be neatly drawn, written, and colored. I should be able to read it. It should have color on it. It should be beautiful. You've done enough 1-pagers. You should know how to do this. But there is going to be an example in here for you from Miss Adkins. If you do it as a 1-pager, it's just like the Perseus 1-pager we just did. Now, if you decide you want to do the essay, you are doing the exact same thing. You are just putting it into paragraph form. So you're still going to have 4 characters, Percy, Grover, Sally, and Gabe. And you are still telling me 2 quotes about them and 3 adjectives to describe them. So my advice would be the first character in Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief is Percy. I would describe Percy as 1, 2, 3 adjectives, period. 2 quotes that describe him from the book are 1 quote, 2 quotes. You do all 4. At the end or the beginning, you need an introduction or a conclusion to give you your 5th paragraph. This must be 5 paragraphs, written or typed. Don't care if you prefer to handwrite, if you prefer to type, whichever. Each paragraph must be 4 or more sentences. 1 sentence would be your adjectives. 1 sentence would be 1 quote. 1 sentence would be 2 quotes. And then 1 sentence that you have to come up with on your own. Once you have decided which you're going to do, if you're doing the 1-pager, in the green bins in the corner, there are markers, crayons, color pencils, and scrap paper bin has your solid white paper. Share supplies, put them away, be respectful. If you decide that you're doing the essay option, if you're handwriting it, it must be on lined paper and it must be neat enough that I can read. If you are typing it, you're going to go right here where it says chapter 1 through 4 essay. You're going to click on it. When it opens up, it'll be that document that everyone can use at the same time. So you'll click on it, it'll download, you'll do all the same things you normally do. So that's pretty straightforward. If you have questions that your sub cannot answer, ask to go see Miss Adkins. She and I created this project together, so she should be able to answer any of your questions. All of this is due on Tuesday. It is worth 25 points in the grade book. Do your best work. Do not rush through it. Use your book. Again, if you have questions, go see Miss Adkins. Please be good humans. Remember, if you get in trouble, it's a level 2 and an automatic detention. I miss you. Be good. Goodbye.